This video I will show you how to open PowerPoint online, how to access PowerPoint online without buying software, and you can use PowerPoint anyway. Just you need open any browser and type here office.com. Now once you type office.com, it will ask sign in process. So if you have already Microsoft Mail, so sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have, so just create a free Microsoft account using your email and phone number. Then login. So once you log in successfully, here you will see this interface. Here you can open Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive. So just select here PowerPoint. You can create a new document. Also you can open your document. So method is, once you want to edit your already PowerPoint presentation, so firstly upload that presentation on OneDrive on same account which you are using here, and once you successfully upload there, refresh your OneDrive or refresh this office.com. So in the PowerPoint presentation you will see that one, and you can edit here. So you can open, access and edit PowerPoint online using this same method. I will say how openoffice.com, sign in or sign up Microsoft account, and in third step you can create new or your old PowerPoint presentation. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method. Comment this video useful for you.